Hello, today I'm going to talk about Nair Hair Remover Lotion. This is the one with rich cocoa butter and vitamin E. It is a hair removal cream, and I use this to remove my leg hair mostly, but you can use it for other areas of your body. And it's basically the main hair remover in the US. There's Veet, which is their competitor, but also Nair. Nair is the #1 hair product removal brand in the United States of America. I prefer this hair removal method over any other type of method. And the reasons for that are when it comes to shaving, it grows back a lot quicker, and it also is very rough and difficult on your skin. And what I really like about this is it takes way longer to grow back as opposed to shaving. And also it's not painful like waxing or epilating or tweezing or any other of those painful ones where you have to tear your hair out of your skin to like look beautiful. So this is awesome. This is an awesome product, and what's nice about it too is it has those essential vitamins, the vitamin E, and then it has cocoa butter, which is so great for your skin. I use it on my legs, but I also sometimes use it on my armpits and my bikini area. It's great for the summertime when you're trying to get ready for bikini season, or you just want to show off your legs and you want a nice way of avoiding all the razor bumps and things like that. Use this. This is amazing. And this one comes in a pink bottle. Nair has a lot of different packaging for their products, but I really like this design. First of all, it's sleek and nice, and it's pink, and the cap really pops open really easily, so if you're using one hand, but it also shuts. Now, one thing I have to say is, as you can see, it's a little dried out here and it's yellow. The cream itself is not, it's like not really yellow, it's more like a banana color, I would say, but when it dries, it gets really crusty, so you always have to make sure, a very bad example of this, but you have to make sure that you completely wipe it off or you'll have trouble opening and closing it in the future. But other than that, it's a nice design. I like that you stand it up, and I'll stand it up with my other skincare products in my bathroom. That's where I keep it. I always wash my hands immediately after applying the cream. When you come into contact with it, you're only supposed to have it on your skin for a certain amount of time before the bad side effects come on. So make sure that right when you're done using it on your legs or wherever you're putting it, we'll just say my legs right now, make sure that you wash your hands off with soap. Plus, you don't actually like accidentally want to touch your hair with your hands, and they're not, clean, and so then you could get like a bald spot, and that is not what you're going for. So I always apply this to my skin before going into the shower. Nair does make products that you can apply while you're in the shower, but this one's just really simple. This is their basic hair remover lotion, and with that you just basically spread a thin layer on your skin. You don't rub it in. It's like this, just covering up the skin evenly with the cream, and then all you do is you let it sit there for about 3 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. And so sometimes when it's thicker hair, I'll leave it on for like 5 minutes, but just make sure that you remember to take it off. I use a wet cloth, like a washcloth, to go over it after about 3 minutes, and then I just wipe the cream away, and I always make sure I follow up with a shower, and I usually just rinse it off and make sure that I use soap, a gentle soap, and then voila, it's ready. So it's a really quick process. If you have time right before you go out and you forgot to shave your legs, you can just apply this on your legs and remove all the hair very quickly and without having to do much. Like, you don't have to do a complete full shower. You can just rinse your legs off, which is nice. And the hair comes off really easily. It's not like you have to rub or anything for it to come off. And I always shower with like lukewarm water if I'm washing my skin, because when it's heated and your skin is sensitive and you have a product like this, I don't suggest using like really hot water. It just will irritate it more. And it doesn't smell good. I have to say that is one thing that I don't enjoy about it, is the smell. It says sensuous scent, but I disagree with that completely. It really is a strong scent and it doesn't smell okay to me. And, you know, to each their own, but I just have to say that part is like the downside to this product. Luckily, once you've rinsed it off, it goes away though. I love how smooth my legs feel afterwards. Like, it's very addicting feeling. And I just love running my hands up and down my legs because it's so nice how smooth they are. And also what's nice about this with the cocoa butter, it doesn't leave your legs feeling all dried out like a lot of hair remover products do. It actually makes it feel more silky and smooth afterwards, which is a great result. It doesn't just take away hair, but it also kind of nourishes your skin, which is really cool. Don't use it on sunburned skin. I made that mistake once and that was very wrong of me. It was a disaster, but make sure that your skin is actually healthy and there's enough hair there to actually take away. Make sure you don't put it on any cuts or anything like that. Keep it away from kids. And, you know, it's still a substance that can essentially burn your skin if you do it wrong. So make sure you're reading the instructions and you're just taking the time to really apply it and rinse it all off in the end. It's a 9-ounce bottle. The lotion is really creamy. It's not one of those really greasy lotions, pretty easy to get off when you're washing your hands. It is dermatologist tested. It's not travel size. I don't usually take this with me if I'm traveling. I leave this with my other skin or hair products. And Nair is manufactured by Church & Dwight, and they're located in New Jersey. And they make a variety of products that also have to do with hair remover, but not just the cream. They have like wax strips and different variations of that, and so definitely check out their products. Definitely check out this product. I use it like on a regular basis. I would say whenever my hair gets to a certain point, so like every week I would say. I got this one about 2 weeks ago, but I regularly replace it, and they do have a similar one with the same kind of bottle and everything, but with aloe vera. So if you prefer aloe vera over cocoa butter, and I believe they have one with baby oil as well. So you can kind of choose what you want as far as the nourishment part and the hydration of your skin based on how your skin is and the texture of it. Thank you so much for watching this video.